All right, this is a fireman line dance. You're gonna start with your left weight on your left foot. You are going right, up, double tap. Switching to your left foot, left, up, double tap. From here, you are doing 3 kicks. You'll go right, left, right. So right, left, right, clap. Then from here, you rock your weight onto your right, weight to your left. From here, you're cha-chaing forward and cha-chaing back, keeping your body facing the same way. So you'll go cha-cha-cha, rock, cha-cha-cha, rock. From here, you're cha-chaing forward one more time, and as you do so, you're going to do a 180. So you go cha-cha-cha, spin on your left foot. Now with your left foot, you are going to cha-cha with it forward. So you're stepping cha-cha-cha, spinning back around, and this time you are going to complete it to another 90 degrees. From here, you stomp right, left, and then you start over.